Here is north of Iraq known as Iraqi Kurdistan, our exclusive report from the dark side of this region that they hide from Western country, will start shortly. Exclusive report from Iraqi Kurdistan. Video posted online on 12th and 13th of March 2017, showing that Iraqi Kurdish Barzani forces secretly escorting Turkish army convoy to Kandil Mountains near the PKK main base in Iraq. They are cooperating with Turkey against PKK and Yazidi. Barzani forces and Turkey are transferring tanks and heavy machine guns to the city of Sinjar, known as Shingal or Yazidi, located in north of Iraq. In the Sinjar mountains there are near 4,000 Yazidi fighters, formed and trained by PKK to protect Yazidi community from Islamic State, since August 2014.
لکرکوی چهار هاتش کندن ایرو لشنگارش تش کندن همو ایرشین لسر گلی ما همو ایرشین لسر آخا ما به انجام وی برخوادانه به انجام وی شهیدان امی بشکینن امی همو خواسته که دشمن همو خواسته که نیار امی قرقاو دا بیلن.
The local Yazidi fighters formed soon after 8,000 Barzani forces fled from Yazidi town Sinjar without any fight against ISIS in 3rd of August 2014, and ISIS took over the city in few hours.
قاد پی شنگال درون بر خود دنده هوکی کوده دچین کوده چما زاخو چما چما شنگال نپاریز ام نشه برسویر تماشاوان اینجا که گوند بینن ام رابعانه پیشمرگین پدکه اوجی درون.
Yazidi are non-Muslim ethnic group in north of Iraq. As they didn't have their own military protection, they always become under attack in the Middle East. Iraqi Kurdish Barzani KDP leader is cooperating with Turkey against Yazidi fighters in the Iraqi city of Sinjar, and also Barzani is cooperating with Turkey against YPG in Syria as well as PKK in Kandil Mountains in Iraq. On the 3rd of March 2017, Turkey-backed Kurdish Barzani Peshmerga known as Raj Peshmerga, killed 7 Yazidi fighters in a very barbaric way, exactly same way that ISIS used to kill Iraqi forces in Iraqi city of Tikrit, as you can see in this video. According to the German Spiegel newspaper, Barzani forces used German armored military vehicle known as Dingo for this huge crime. They also injured more than 20 Yazidi including 3 journalists by using heavy German weapon. Turkey-backed Raj Peshmerga are Syrian and they are trained and imported from Syrian refugee camps by Turkey to Sinjar mountains to fight against Yazidi fighters in Iraq.
هؤلاء شبيهي بشير وحزبان نقركم بجارك نقركم تكبير الله أكبر.
Yesterday 14th of March 2017, Barzani KDP forces and Turkey-backed Raj Peshmerga attacked unarmed Yazidi civilians in Kanisar and Sinjar. Yazidi girl shot dead and near 10 civilians include 2 journalists from Chira TV badly injured. Journalists told us, the reason that Barzani is cooperating with Turkey against his own people is, because he wants to stay in power in Iraqi Kurdistan. He crashed Iraqi Kurdish main opposition political party and removed all their MP from the parliament including 3 minister and parliament chairman Dr. Yusuf Mohammed, and same day Barzani police forces insulted the chairman of Kurdish parliament and deported to Iraqi Kurdish city of Sulmania. It has been more than 1 year, Iraqi Kurdish parliament never had any meetings because Barzani took over the parliament and removed the main opposition MP from the parliament, and he is happy that way to continue his control over the Iraqi Kurdistan. Local journalists from Arbil told us, Barzani forces detained 11 people from different locations in Iraqi Kurdistan in the last 48 hours, accusing them that they filmed Turkish army convoy in Iraqi Kurdistan on Sunday 12 of March 2017. According to the opposition newspaper known as Levin in Iraqi Kurdistan, Barzani jailed 32 Kurdish fighters recently, because those fighters who refused to kill Yazidi fighters in Sinjar on the 3rd of March 2017 clash. Majority of Kurds in Iraq don't like Iraqi Kurdish KRG leader Barzani, and they feel ashamed regarding Barzani's cooperation with Turkey against his own people, but Turkey wants Barzani to stay in power until they can use him against other Kurds, especially PKK and YPG and the main opposition political party in Iraqi Kurdistan known as Goran, as well as Yazidi in Sinjar. Following this report you will see the full video of transferring Turkish army to Kandil and Sinjar by Barzani forces, without editing. This video was recorded on the 12th and 13th of March 2017 in Iraqi Kurdistan, by the groups of journalists that do not want to identify themselves because of the risk of killing by Barzani forces. Reported by Botin Kurdistani and edited by Jessica Brown for RH News Agency on 15th of March 2017. Thank you for watching.
ناحية الشلازية وانا الجرين سربازي في الشلازية ببامر نتينا بقواسطة اولا چند بار هرکره که سربازی سپایتون که انا ناحية الشلازية سربقاز آمدی گرزانیاری دی انا بقواستم بو سربازگاه بامر نه